It's this week's recommended Blender downloads.
Toasty!
Let's go. Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. It's came to that time of the week again where I scour the internet looking for the best downloads for your downloading pleasure. As always, please support third-party developers and artists. Let's quickly kick this off, and remember you can visit blenderroyale.com for everything that's basically been mentioned here. And first and foremost, we have the Asset Libraries Tools as a free add-on which aims to speed up the process of creating asset libraries with the asset browser. Nice one, I'll leave all the links in the description down below. And moving over to the Modifier Stack Manager, this looks pretty good as well. It's on GitHub. I tried implementing a Modifier Stack Manager for Blender. Currently this add-on can rearrange, duplicate, add and remove modifiers from the one place. Now I think there is a kind of modifier add-on that comes inbuilt with Blender, but it might be worth checking this one out. And moving over to one of our favourite resources for Blender add-ons, we have the Sharpen add-on for Blender. Sharpens the object really fast. What does it do? It does Shade Smooth and Auto Smooth 30 both at the same time. So a nice little workflow tool. Nice to see, thank you very much. And moving over to the next one, we have the Chords Generator for Blender 3.0. Nice. And obviously this is using geometry nodes. And this is the great thing about geometry nodes. Loads of new cool stuff coming out, to be honest. And moving over to New Media Supply. Great guy, does a lot of stuff regarding Blender add-ons, a lot of reviews as well. spEEVEE is a free add-on for Eevee to give you more reliable results and the speedier workflow. Nice, that looks good as well. And moving over to one of our favourite artists, Chuck CG. Loads of really cool stuff here, to be honest, but you have the building displacement, you also have things like the decal pack, and I believe last week we reviewed the procedural terrain shader for Blender. Check that out, all for free. Next one up. This is a great resource as well. Grease Pencil, Traditional Ink Brush and Texture Pack, and there's a few really good stuff, so if you're into your Grease Pencil, might be worth checking out Sophie's work. Thank you very much. There's some great add-ons here as well. You have the shader switcher add-on, but the one that kind of caught my attention was the RotateFlipAddon. Nice one. And of course we go to Sanctus, who knocks it out of the park every single week. Highly recommend you support him by seeing his Patreon. You have GeoNodes Circular Array. Thank you very much. And this is my commercial add-on of the week. I do not make any money off this, I'm not getting any affiliation. I just think, hey, that's pretty damn cool, to be honest. $35, and it's a Fluent Materializer. Now this is already pushed over 900 sales. Congratulations, that's a lot of dosh, mate, a lot of dosh. Well done. Definitely worth checking out. And moving over to Sketchfab, of course we have our Sketchfab download of the week. You have the Stream Deck console. Personally, I don't know if I would buy it. I have a Nintendo Switch, but anyway, each to their own. And of course we finish up with a free PBR from Polyhaven, and this is a Stone Brick 001, and the free HDRI is the Photo Studio Broadway Hall. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, you know what to do. Take care.